Sarah, look at Faves. Say good morning. Yeah, where are we going? Yeah, Tyler.
Good morning.
Where are we going?
School.
Yeah.
Mama,
Hi, Faves.
I see this color.
Yes, you are. You are very handsome. Oh, I'm multitasking, you guys. Whew. A lady making me pass. Merci. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I'm multitasking. Going down the street. Sarah in one hand, camera in one hand. Tyler over there carrying my lunch for me until he gets to school. It's just me, myself, and I this morning. Babes is still at home. Babe is heading out of town today. So he's leaving out a little bit later than usually. So I had to juggle everything on my own today. Fix your face. Why are you looking like that? Anyway, you guys, as you guys can see, I'm struggling to go down the street. But the kids are basically at school right now. They reach. Come, let's go tell Tai Tai bye-bye. So we're gonna drop Tai first and then Sarah is on to the next. So have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. Whatever it is we have to show you guys. Catch up and keep up with us. And we'll see you guys throughout the rest of the day. Sarah, you're gonna be
Next.
and be
Kind.
and be
Patient.
and be
Good.
good. Good job.
The moon.
And Tyler, you're gonna be
Great.
yes and be
Nice.
and be
Brave.
and be. You can't find another word? Alright, have a good day, okay? Bisous. Kiss, 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 Sarah. Sarah first. Sarah first, sorry. High five. Hugs. Yeah. Mwah. See you later. Love you.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
I'm walking to the tram stop after coming off the bus, and I had to catch that sunset view for you guys because it's just absolutely beautiful. So I'm heading to the tram right now. Got off the bus, going to the tram, and then I have to get off the tram and take another bus. So that's always my journey to school in the mornings. 3 transportation: bus, tram, bus. First bus like 10 minutes, tram like 15 minutes, and then the third bus is another 10 minutes. So yeah. And just like that, I am back home from school. Back home from school, and things never change. Take off my bag, shoes still on, and jump right into the kitchen. I have 1 hour before I go and pick up my kids, so I normally use that 1 hour to make dinner. So by the time I go to pick up my kids, dinner is done cooking. So I have to talk to you guys while I'm preparing dinner. I am making fish today. I have rice in the fridge. I need some veggies, and then I'll have dinner for today. How was school? School was good. Nothing changes. A lot of work on top of work, more homework on top of homework. I have 2 presentations to prepare for next week. I'm presenting back to back on the same back to back consecutive days, Monday and Tuesday, and I'm presenting first both days. When I'm doing presentation, I like to go first, and everybody's choosing their days. Everybody choose days like 3rd and 4th and stuff like that, but I always like to choose and go first. You know why? I like to do my presentation so that I don't have to see anybody else's presentation and say, oh man, I should have done that, or I should have done this, or whatever the case may be. So I always like to do my presentation first, and that kind of fix my anxiety when I have presentation to do. Like it calms me down when I have to go first. If I have to go after somebody else, I feel like I have to try and do better or do something different from what that person did. So I always just like to do my presentation first. It's just me. It's just a personal thing. So I roughly did them over the weekend though, so I'm kind of prepared. I roughly did it over the weekend, so what I need to do is go and finalize it and add some more information and get my pictures together. And I don't know, my first presentation, I'm just all over the place giving you guys information. My first presentation will be presenting my country, and then the following day my second presentation will be presenting a festival within my country. So I think I'm going to do it on Reggae Sun Fest. That's what I started doing it on. Yeah, so I don't know if I can make something Jamaican which can carry for them to taste, but I don't know what to make because I don't want to carry things that have to eat warm, that taste better when you eat warm. So comment down below and tell me a suggestion on what I can make to carry to my presentation. Something Jamaican, authentic, but don't have to think about it being warm. The first thing I was thinking about is jerk chicken. But not everybody is like gonna eat things that you cook, you know? People weird. I shouldn't say weird, but people is different. So I didn't want to do that. But I don't know. So I have white fish that I'm going to put some breadcrumbs on and fry them. I'm not going to use my air fryer because if I use my air fryer, it's going to take too much time because I have to put like 2 pieces in the air fryer at a time, and it's going to take a while to do both sides and stuff. So I'm frying them in oil. Accomplished. Didn't I finish cooking? I got fish, I got broccoli, I got rice from yesterday, and I got corn. This is actually broccoli and cauliflower in there. Cauliflower is in the bottom. So yeah, mission accomplished, and I got 10 minutes before I leave out, 10-15 minutes before I leave out to go get my babies. Now off to pick up my kids we go. School pickup run.
Plenty of evaluation.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
So how did you do?
Only evaluations I did.
Oh, today?
Yes.
So how did you do?
Good.
You sure?
Yes.
I think you did very well.
Get my note.
How was it?
It was every time ATB.
Very good. My straight A boy. Good
So
job.
what you learned today?
What did I learn today?
Yes.
Passé composé.
And
Negative.
okay. And positive.
Non, pas présent. C'est négative avec passé composé. That's what I did today. Tyler liked to know about my day when I get home in the evenings.
And I
What
like
I
to
learn.
do her exercise.
And he loved doing homework with me. and give me exercise when I'm studying. Look at this one. You guys know that's her favorite spot. Hold on, Ty. Her favorite spot. Sarah, say hello to Faves. Look.
Mama.
Yeah. She's riding up here and eating. We're heading home. Yes, Ty.
We're going to, I can't do the exercise where before when Papa was doing prison, parce que I was giving you the Mama.
Yes.
Okay.
Witchy, where's your broom, witch? Where's the broom? Show Faves the broom, witch.
There.
Show Faves the broom. And how does the witch fly on the broom? Show Faves. Look at her. Fly. Yes, fly. Fly on your broom. Fly, Sarah, fly. Yeah. Yes, you have to hold the broom. Jump. Jump. Go. Yeah, jump and fly. Jump. Her broom came in the mail yesterday and she loved it. You're flying? Yeah. We have a witchy. Help to do what? To fly? Look what she and Tai Tai build. They love a good cabin. They love a good tent. Help you to do what? Mama can't help you fly. You have to fly alone. Jump like this. Jump. Yeah, but you have to hold it. Hold the broom and jump. Right. Wee. You want me to show Faves inside your cabin?
Yes.
Wow. What you have in there?
The bean.
You have a bean?
Pan food in it.
Okay, to last you for how many days? So
1 week.
1 week you're going camping. So where's your bed?
Well, you don't see.
Oh, that's your pillow on your bed.
This is Sarah one.
Okay, so this is Sarah's bed and that one is yours.
At the same time, the couch.
Okay, so your bed turned into a couch when you're ready.
Yes.
Okay, sir. In there look cozy though.
You want me to try?
And you even have a car park up at your tent. Well, you have a rich people tent. Huh? Yes.
You want me to put my bed into a couch?
Yes. Show me when it turned into a couch. What happened?
Turning it. Close your eyes.
Okay.
And put face so I'm not talking.
No, Faves have to see what you're doing.
Open your eyes.
Okay, so what you do to put it in a couch? You put down the pillow flat.
That's what I do. What I do like if it's a machine that make it turn.
Okay, sir, but I want to pass right now. I'm intentionally coming to end the vlog just so you guys can see me, because I know if you guys don't see him, I'm going to hear, where is Ludo?
Gone. Was tired.
You're gone when you're dead. You're not dead. Can you tell I grew up with my grandmother? My grandmother said, don't say you're gone, you turn your back. You're gone when you're dead.
Keep cool. What is written? Keep the world green.
Kuya.
Kuya. Yeah, keep the world green.
Can you tell his
Kuya.
wife is a Jamaican?
She's a real one, a fake one. A yardie? Yeah,
Real
yardie.
yardie.
Yeah, yardie.
Really hard, not no fear about me. The patois, the bad chatting and all. Yes, me said it. Yeah, right this song.
Me hungry now.
You hungry?
Yeah, man.
You guys, babe, just work out. Can you guess? He
Yeah,
just
try.
He just work out without me somewhere.
Yeah, because she don't really run. She's just doing very intensive exercise. That is good. But sometimes my aim is different than her. So sometimes I also need to do
Cardio. Intense,
like,
long
put the things
cardio.
on my side and work on my stamina. and long distance.
My little bad knee no good for long running.
Yeah, she was.
My bad knee. When I run today, I can't run for the next 2 days. That's how running go for me. So I wouldn't even bother.
But your Tuesday was good. You had a long day. I had a long day. That's why you didn't see me. I come back home for walk around 8:39. So
and the kids in bed.
Yeah, I had a long day. I left in the morning. So yeah, that was a productive day. Long day, productive day away from me. And how's your day? Cause I really don't know.
It was good.
It was good, and the kids too. When you get them, they were fine and no question.
Kids being kids as usual.
Alright, cool.
Anyway, you guys,
So I
have
hope
work to do.
all doing well, like the kids, like us. And yeah, we have a lot of things to show you. The week just starting.
The week just starting. The week I finish, I mean.
And the weekend. We're going to prepare the weekend.
Anyway, you guys, I'm out. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the film. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.